Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pie diagram in Excel. Select your data and headings, then insert a pie chart from the Insert tab to create a basic diagram. Use the Chart Design and Format tabs to tweak colors, labels, and legend placement so the segments read clearly. Consider exploding a slice or adding percentage labels for emphasis and clarity when presenting data to others. Start by cleaning your dataset. Remove subtotals and ensure each category has a numeric value beside it. Select the two columns and use Control and click to include non-adjacent ranges when needed. If categories are many, consolidate minor items into another row to keep the pie readable. This preparation avoids misaligned labels and makes the chart creation process smooth and predictable for presentation once the pie is inserted, add data labels and choose percentage to show each slice proportion instantly. Change the color palette and reduce slices by grouping small values into one category to improve visual impact. Use the Format Data Series pane to explode a slice slightly or to offset labels, making key points stand out while keeping the chart balanced and professional for slides or reports.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.